if you've got a shower cubicle fly screen that hangs down like this one and doesn't latch up any longer, then it's probably because one of these two catches here is broken off, which is the case with this one. It's that catch there. The first time this happened, it wasn't clear how you get these off, because when you look at the hinges at the top, it's not visible whether there's any way of getting them out. It's quite straightforward though. Once you know, you just hold on to it, pull it downwards, and it comes off. All there is, if you can see them, is there's little pieces of plastic across the openings, and on the back of the screen there's little clips that hold into them. The piece that breaks off, when you look at the front here, you can see that's one of the clips that's still attached. That's the one that's broken off. So this particular fly screen is a 290 by 290 white, there's a part number there, MPK fly net. There's a replacement for it, and if you've any doubt, which you have, I'm sure if you go to your local caravan accessory shop they'll assist you with it. But I'm going to turn this off for a second now, and then I'll show you how to clip it in. So there's the new fly net, and as you can see, two clips on this one, and to reinsert it, now I've got two hands available because my assistant's holding the camera. Just line it up in the bottom there, push it upwards and it's on, and then click this bit up and it's closed. Thanks very much for watching.